Eaton's new line of patent-pending Quick Connect generator switches provide a convenient way to safely connect and disconnect portable generators to commercial facilities. Over the past few years, electric utility outages from storms and brownouts have left thousands of businesses in the dark for days or even weeks at a time. As a result of these power interruptions, portable generators are now more common than ever, and commercial facilities are turning to on-site generation to protect perishable inventory at fast food and family restaurants, or to remain open during outages to maintain revenue and serve the public with necessities such as food, gasoline, and supplies. As more businesses turn to generators, they face a major stumbling block. How do they safely connect a generator to the building's electrical equipment? If the main electrical equipment is inside the building, is it better to run the cables through the store, creating tripping hazards, or damage the building to get the cables inside? If the store has a back door with access to the electrical closet, building security must also be a consideration. If the electrical connection is made during the outage, these compromises must be decided under the pressure of getting the facility back up. In addition to these practical issues, electrical safety for employees, customers, and utility workers is imperative. When a generator is connected to a building, it is crucial that the building is isolated from the utility grid for two reasons. First, to keep from feeding power out to the utility wires, which could injure utility line workers and would also cause the generator to become overloaded. And second, to prevent paralleling utilities and generator sources when utility power is restored, which could cause damage to electrical equipment and would violate electrical codes and local laws. Isolation from the utility is accomplished by opening the main circuit breaker or switch before connecting the generator. However, many small footprint retail facilities do not have a single main disconnect to isolate the building from the utility. These facilities may have up to 6 mains, none of which totally isolates the building. In these instances, the addition of a single main device is required to isolate the building. Facility owners who prepare their buildings for these power outages by planning in advance for the inevitable can make the transfer from utility to backup power quickly and safely. Eaton Corporation's new Quick Connect generator switch solves both the physical connection and the electrical safety concerns in one convenient package. This revolutionary new product provides receptacles for quick connection of a generator and safety interlocks to prevent power feeding to the utility grid and paralleling sources, as well as interlocks to protect employees and customers. The Quick Connect generator switch contains both a utility main disconnect and a generator disconnect in one enclosure. As a double-throw switch, it is impossible for both switches to be closed at the same time. This operation guarantees that the utility main switch is open before closing the generator switch. An additional safety feature is a patent-pending door interlock for the receptacle compartment. This interlock prevents the generator switch from being closed when the receptacle compartment door is open, and also prevents opening the compartment door when the switch is closed. This safety feature provides protection from potential injury or death from someone attempting to disconnect cables that are energized. Unlike unplugging a running vacuum cleaner, unplugging a 600-amp energized load would be catastrophic. Thought was also given to the cable compartment. The Eaton design team included a spring-loaded door that prevents insects and small animals, such as birds or rodents, from nesting in the compartment when not in use, while allowing cables to exit during a power outage. The Quick Connect generator switch from Eaton is available with 2 receptacle options for connecting portable generators. The first option is cam lock receptacles. Cam locks provide a solid electrical connection with a quarter-turn electrical receptacle for individual cable. The second option for connecting portable generators is the Posi-Lock panel. Posi-Lock is similar to cam lock, but provides an additional safety feature that requires the installer to connect the wires in the proper electrical sequence and ensures proper grounding. Grounding is essential for electrical safety to protect people from shock hazards. If a licensed electrician will always make the generator connection, then cam lock is the less costly option. However, if maintenance personnel or technicians will be making the connection, then the enhanced safety of the Posi-Lock system may be desired. The following sequence illustrates how preparing your facility with Eaton's Quick Connect generator switch allows for quick transfer from the utility grid to a portable generator. When power goes out, it is best to determine the expected amount of time the outage will last. Once it has been determined that the outage will be long enough to bring out the generator, the portable generator is brought to the site and secured. Trained personnel connect cables to the generator. The technician then opens the door to the Quick Connect generator switch and connects each cable to the proper receptacle, allowing the cables to exit through the hinged access panel. Next, the door to the receptacle compartment is closed. Remember that the interlock will prevent closure of the generator switch if the door is left open. Next, the generator is started and allowed to warm up for a few minutes. Once the generator has warmed up, the operator moves the handle to open the utility switch and continues to move the handle to close the generator switch successfully, transferring the building to the backup generator. As we can see in this animation, the building is now totally disconnected from the utility grid and is running on generator power. When the utility power comes back, there is no danger of paralleling the generator and utility sources. Also, the generator is not feeding power out to the utility power lines. If for any reason cord sets with the proper plugs are not available, the Eaton Quick Connect switch is equipped with extra lugs that allow a trained electrician to make a portable connection to get the facility up and running without damaging the electrical equipment. For new installations and existing installations with 6 disconnect rule mains, the Quick Connect generator switch is the ideal solution. However, if the building is existing and has one main disconnect, and the building owner does not want to move the utility service, the Quick Connect safety switch can provide a connection point for the generator, and safety interlocks to provide the needed safety feature requiring isolation from the utility. The Quick Connect safety switch is similar in construction to the Quick Connect generator switch. The key difference is that the safety switch is only a single switch for the generator. It does not include the utility main disconnect. Therefore, it is necessary to provide key interlocks to ensure that the utility main disconnect is open before closing the generator switch. With a coordinated trapped key interlock system, the main disconnect must be opened to enable the removal of the trapped key. Once removed, the Quick Connect safety switch can then be turned on. Additionally, there must be sufficient space in the existing main gear to connect the feed from the Quick Connect switch, and allowing the main switch gear to thus be connected to the generator. In summary, Eaton's Quick Connect generator switch provides a safe, convenient means of connecting a portable generator and disconnecting from the utility grid. It is applicable for new installations up to 800 amps and for existing buildings with more than one main disconnect. In these instances, the Quick Connect generator switch serves as the service entrance switch, the generator switch, and the connection point. For existing services with one main disconnect and space to connect an additional circuit in the main switchgear, the Eaton Quick Connect safety switch with trapped key interlock can offer a simple installation with all of the safety of the generator switch. Eaton's new line of generator switches is the electrical industry's best alternative for safe connection and operation of portable generators available today.